Do you feel nervous when someone asks you, "Tell me about yourself," in English? Don't worry. Today, we will make introductions easy and fun. In this episode, you will learn simple English sentences to talk about your name, your country, your job or study, and your hobbies. You will listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Are you ready to introduce yourself in English? Let's get started. Learn how to talk about yourself in English. Easy introductions for beginners. Tom and Emma English Bridge Podcast. Level A1 to A2. Beginners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Bridge Podcast. Today, we will learn how to talk about yourself in English. Simple English, real conversation. Let's do it.
Yes, we will teach you how to introduce yourself, talk about your age, your job, and where you live. You can repeat after us to practice.
Let's start with a simple introduction. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm from Canada. I'm an English coach. Nice to meet you too.
Now you try. Say, I'm, your name. I'm from your country. I'm your job or study.
Great. Next, let's talk about age. Listen, I'm 25 years old.
And hobbies. I like reading. I like playing football. I like cooking.
Tom, what do you like?
I like running and watching movies.
I like dancing and baking cakes.
Now let's talk about family. I live with my family. I have one brother. I don't have sisters.
You can also say where you live. I live in a small town. I live in a big city. I live near the beach.
Emma, where do you live?
I live in a big city. And you, Tom?
I live in a small town. It's quiet and nice. Let's practice questions you can ask someone new. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like?
Practice with us. Emma, what do you do? I'm an English coach. And you, Tom?
I'm a teacher.
Nice. See? Easy English conversation.
Now it's your turn. Say 4 sentences about yourself. 1. Your name. 2. Your country. 3. Your job or study. 4. Your hobby.
Great job. You can now talk about yourself in English.
Practice every day to become more confident. Thank you for listening to English Bridge Podcast.
See you next time. Bye. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to subscribe to English Bridge for more easy and fun English practice. I'd also love to hear from you. Write your questions or suggestions in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer and help you.